What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to make a little video to help you guys out on this. It's not too hard. So you come in here and you undo your latch as usual. If you have anything in here, you probably want to get it out, and paperwork, any kind of the manual, owner's manual, that kind of stuff. First you come over here on the side. You have this little lever here. You press down on that. Press down. You want to unlatch that. Then go right up in here and press towards the driver's side to loosen that side up. Then come back over here and the same thing. Undo that side. You have both of them undone. Then it drops right down. Then there you go. It's right there. Just reach on in there. Pull it on out. Tabs on each side. Take your cover off and pull it out. And then you take it out, replace it, put it back in there, and you're good to go. And that's it. It's that simple. Throw your cover back on. And that's it. Good to go. Same thing to put it back in. Close these little tabs. Close the one on that side. Press it till they like almost touch. And then don't forget to hook up your little thing here. Little lever. It goes under. And you hear it snap like that. It's back in place. Good to go.